Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name's Alexa and I post curly hair videos weekly. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I use the Denman brush, and I'm really excited to show you because I was using this brush wrong for like a year and I finally learned how to use it. So I do hope you learned something new. So to start this off, I like applying a lot of water. It's really important when using the Denman brush, at least for my type of hair. And then I like going in with my most favorite leave-in conditioner, which is the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk one. And after this, I like using a curl cream, and this just helps with the curl clumps, and I take a good amount. You can take as much as you think your hair needs. And then after this, I'm basically going to be using a curl cream gel, or you can even use a gel. And I like applying all of these things before I start with the Denman brush. Okay, so now the first step to use the Denman brush in order to like create those really nice ringlets is I just like combing it through first. So you're going to curl this. You're going to see me like twisting it, and I'm going to be curling it like the way my curl curls, which is usually like inside like this, like away from my face. And then I put it through like this, away from my face. I like holding it, and then I like curling it like this. And if you guys can see, that created a really nice ringlet. Now I'm gonna go on to the next section, which is this one. So now for the rest of this video, I'm going to be doing voiceover, and there's going to be some clips where I'm going to explain to you guys what I do. So you're going to be seeing me just twirling the Denman brush, and I think it's really important just to learn what way your curls like to curl. My curls usually like to go inward, so that's why I do it that way. Another thing that I like doing when using the Denman brush this way is I like to scrunch in my curls separately. I don't like doing it all at once, or I do like being really gentle just because I don't want the curl clumps that I formed to get destroyed. I am going to be applying the water, leave-in conditioner, curl cream, and the cream gel all throughout my hair. I'm just going to fast forward these things just because I do want to teach you guys how I use the Denman brush. And also, you don't need the products that I'm using. It's totally up to you. This is just my personal preference. So this right here, I'm actually going to divide into two, because I like the front pieces of my hair to look more like ringlets and more twirly, because that's like what frames my face. So I'm just going to grab it, twist it, twirl it. It's almost like finger coiling, honestly, but with a brush. And I do notice a difference when like I finger coil and when I use this. If you guys want, you can go and check out my video. I posted a video like finger coiling on one side versus the Denman brush, and it is like a really significant difference. So go under, twirl, and I guess you can do it as like tight as you want, so like you can keep going if you want. And then I scrunch. So as you guys see, I'm going over it first just to put the product all over my hair. Now I'm going to the bottom and I'm twirling it away from my face, and it's like finger coiling basically. So this does take a while to learn, or you can just learn it really fast. It is really simple. You just need to know what way your hair goes, and your hair needs to be drenched in water. That way your curls can clump more, and it's just way easier to use the Denman brush. Also, for me, this takes a while because I have so much hair, as you guys can see. But if you have a little bit of hair, it will probably be a breeze. And sometimes I do like bigger sections with the Denman brush when I'm in a rush, so it doesn't have to be as small as I'm doing it right now. You can take much more hair. So I really like doing this because my hair literally lasts a week when I do this, and there's barely frizz. So that's like the one thing I love about the Denman brush, and just taking my time to do each section and perfect it. Okay, so I already combed down. Now I'm gonna place the brush right here. Hold it, and now you twirl it. So now I just have like a perfect curl right here. Okay, so I'm just gonna comb down and under, hold the bottom, and now you twirl. Now I'm just going to air dry for an hour or two, and then I'm going to diffuse, and I'll be back. Okay guys, so now my hair is completely dry, and this is what it's looking like, but I am going to pull this apart. So I'm going to put some oil from Aveda on my hair. You can use any oil you have. This one's just my favorite. So I really hope you guys like how my curls came out. I'm definitely going to come and just show you what my hair looks like tomorrow, because a lot of the curls tend to like clump back up, and it also tends to look more voluminous on second day. So I do want you guys to see that. And yeah, like right now it's like 11 p.m. so I'll come back tomorrow. Hey guys, so it's the next morning, and I took my hair down about 20 minutes ago, and this is what it's looking like. So from what you can see, a lot of my curl clumps tend to like clump back together, And I think this is what's like really effective about the Denman brush to my hair. Just that, like, I guess when I go to sleep or just put my hair up, the clumps get back together, so that just minimizes the frizz. So what I do when this happens is I just like separate the curls again really quick. Since I'm not going anywhere, I'm not pulling every single curl clump out. Now I'm just done separating my curl clumps since they did clump back up. So I really hope I helped you guys, those of you who have looser curls. I think this will be really beneficial for 2C, 3A and 3B curls, and even maybe for just like the 2A and 2B range, just the specific technique that I used. And I hope you can probably use this, try this out, and it works, because honestly when I first got this brush, I was so confused. I was using it wrong for like a whole year, and I stopped using it. Then I started doing this technique and it was like magic. So it was insane. And yeah, thank you so much for watching today's video. I really appreciate it. It means so much to me. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will be uploading another video really soon.